नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज हम जा रहे हैं हमारे दोस्त मयूरेश के लिए एक न्यू बाइक ढूंढने विच इज़ अंडर द बजट ऑफ 3 lakhs। उससे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि दिस वीडियो इज़ फॉर दोज पीपल जिनको बाइक चलानी बिल्कुल नहीं आती एंड दे आर बाइंग अ बाइक फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम और उनको पता नहीं है या फिर दे आर ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट इन द मार्केट कि उनको कौन सी बाइक लेनी चाहिए। और हमारा पहला स्टॉप है आज हार्ली डेविडसन गोवा, जहाँ पे हम देखेंगे और चलाएंगे द 440X, जिसका फर्स्ट राइड इम्प्रेशंस वीडियो मेरे चैनल पे नेक्स्ट वीक आएगा।
अभी अमोक बोल रहा है कि जावा शोरूम में जाएंगे।
I mean bro, it's just 200 meters. Let's just have a look at least.
Okay,
जाएंगे
okay.
चलो।
Price range same है, almost power range and all the figures also same. So let's try तो करेंगे ना.
Yes, okay.
पर जावा मंडे पर जावा था इली पुढे. That's a sign bro. Let's go to Java.
Okay. It's a Perak, no?
हाँ यार। और जावा शोरूम पे we were amazed एंड हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा जावा ESD और BSA का न्यू मोटरसाइकिल्स देख के और उनका इम्प्रूव्ड क्वालिटी देख के। ESD शोरूम पे हमने टेस्ट ड्राइव किया उनकी पॉवर इन दिस ब्यूटीफुल क्रोम कलर।
What do you think about the Perak?
Loved it.
मयूरेश को भी ये बाइक बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आई है। लाइक उसका माइंड लिटरली चेंज हो रहा है अभी।
पीछे का सस्पेंशन थोड़ा बाउंसी बट इफ इट इज एडजस्टेबल बट अदर देन दैट क्राफ्ट मोटरसाइकिल लुक्स So we went for the test drive of
हार्ले डेविडसन
first and उसके बाद हम as you saw कि we went for Java to check out the Java. So Harley, Rakesh.
See, the bike is good for a beginner. Riding posture is very comfortable, but I feel the engine is very raw. और
It is a Harley after all. Like वो characteristic है Harley का.
लॉन्ग टर्म में इंजन कैसा क्या परफॉर्म करेगा आई डोंट नो अबाउट आफ्टर सेल्स ऑल्सो, बट थोड़ा फ्लिकेबल। यू गॉट द पॉइंट राइट।
हाँ, like I have shown in my video as well कि थोड़ा मैं फ्लिक करने का ट्राई कर रहा हूँ बट बाइक बिल्कुल फ्लिक नहीं हो रही है and even on if you're carrying higher speeds and you're trying to take a turn, bike is restricting you from catching the line to take the turn. So that is Harley. Oh, Mayuresh, tu sang. I know you are a first time rider, but it is perfect for the vlog as this vlog is for first time riders. So
Harley is good, but it's not as good as the second bike which we saw.
yeah, so the second bike we just entered and it was not on the list actually. We randomly just entered the showroom because nazdik tha, and as we entered we fell in love with the bikes first, looks wise, and okay, we are getting a call so we'll get back to you.
One eternity later.
So the next showroom we went to was Java ESD. We entered the showroom and we saw those bikes. Looks wise, perfect. All the bikes, the 600 BSA, ESD, अपना Bobber and Parak.
The thing is, Mayuresh fell in love with the
Just like
Bobber
her.
42 मरे?
Bobber 42, and bro, even I fell in love with that bike. Bro, किधर दिसताली थी.
Too good bro, just like her.
We test drove the bike. It was a small test drive. Mayuresh ने थोड़ा बड़ा test drive लिया था, so he'll tell you better compared to the Harley Street. It's not Street, 440X.
Compared to the Harley, this Bobber 42 was too good from the start, from the looks.
No, test drive मतलब drive
during the drive also it was good and the engine was like
smoother.
Not rough, but it was smooth.
The only gripe he had was the exhaust का वो आवाज नहीं आ रहा था, like Harley का आ रहा था.
There is no
thump नहीं था, वो bass नहीं है.
बेबी को बेस पसंद है।
And apart from that, ground clearance थोड़ा कम है, but
I mean,
bike
Compared to
yeah.
compared to 440X, how it was like.
compared to 440 it was good.
It
Too
was
good,
good,
too
right?
good actually. Yeah.
So conclusion आपको समझ में आ गया.
So yeah, now we are heading to the Triumph showroom.
ब्रो क्या कर रहे हो?
Just feeling the bike.
Daytona 660. Look at this. अमोक की ड्रीम बाइक है एक्चुअली Daytona, the older one. This is the new one. So Mayuresh is taking a test ride of the Triumph Speed T4.
अभी ना मयूरेश टेल मी आज तुमने टोटल 3 बाइक चलाए हैं.
चार.
चार
नो
पांच बाइक्स.
पांच
No,
बाइक्स.
I'm-
एक
ट्रायम्फ धरने का सगळं तर
3 ट्रायम्फ,
एक
एक जावा,
हाँ.
एक हार्ली.
ओके. सो अभी तुम्हारा क्या डिसीजन है?
सो उसमें
क्या
तो
सोचा?
अभी
डिसीजन नहीं बट थॉट क्या है एज अ फर्स्ट
थॉट्स
टाइम
मतलब उसमें से हार्ली जो है वो एलिमिनेट होता है.
ओके
हार्ली वी कैन एलिमिनेट.
व्हाई इज दैट?
Okay, because I didn't means compared to all these other bikes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
I
it's a
felt
good
Harley
bike.
was- yeah, Harley is a
don't
good
get us
bike.
wrong, it's a
Yeah.
good bike.
It's a good bike, but not what we are looking for.
Yeah,
This is our perspective. So yeah, Harley we
Harley,
can eliminate
yeah.
because we can't buy all bikes. No, something or other we'll have to eliminate.
और अपना भी टेस्ट रहता है ना.
Correct.
So
apart
because see
from
we liked HD का build quality finish, उसका lightness, that all
Java
is preferred.
बता दो.
हाँ, Java. That all was preferred over the Harley. That is one thing. Harley का we liked its exhaust, its look. It also looked nice.
Yeah.
As a stealth black color and the बरीच झाली. And plus what do you say, the exhaust sound was nice.
Correct.
Plus I think on a highway it would be a good bike to just
Yeah,
like, go
but
boom.
our
But for
requirement
city
is
use and
city
all,
and daily.
yeah, and as Mayuresh is a first time rider, I feel the SD was a bit more easy to ride.
Coming to Triumph, I
We'll
think
talk about T4 first.
Yeah.
T4 से किती म्हणता तू सांग?
T4 was a good bike. It's a easy to ride bike. Transition wise also from pleasure to T4, it's a good
You
bike.
will get pleasure now.
Pleasure was not giving me pleasure.
Yeah, that's what he actually texted me on WhatsApp. He's like, bro, pleasure is not giving me pleasure. I need a bike. These two guys rode it. I just मतलब बाहर ही निकाला मैंने बस.
So as a speed 400
400
होगा, T4 is a good bike. Like 30 bhp is a lot actually for a beginner.
True.
Same like Duke 250 also produces 30 bhp,
Bro,
right?
my 411 produces 24.
Yeah, 30
So,
30 bhp is a kind of like power, like आप बोर नहीं होंगे कभी भी. So it is flickable, it is a good bike, but टेस्ट राइड वाला बाइक में क्या हुआ कि उसमें वाइब्रेशन बहुत ज़्यादा था. So maybe it is the problem with the test ride bike only, but नया बाइक में
Because it is the same engine as your bike, right?
yes.
So vibration उतना problem नहीं होना चाहिए. So it looks like it was a
Because of test
servicing,
drive,
हाँ.
टेस्ट राइड, yeah. So नया बाइक में like it will be
And
completely
otherwise,
smooth.
even I found it, मतलब मैंने तो बस बाहर शोरूम से बाहर ही लेके गया, but I found it very similar riding wise to a 400. So what did you feel?
Same, but what I felt was Scrambler also I think I should eliminate mainly
हाँ, मेरे को
because
T4 चे बोले हमारे Scrambler और Pawla डायरेक्ट
अरे तर एलिमिनेट करा देऊ यानु.
एलिमिनेट करत देता. ओके बरं
मला
बरं
लास्ट टेन करून कच्ची बाईक ती सांगा यानु.
बरं तरी आमचं अनेक डे ऑफ टेस्ट ड्राइव्ह उरला. वी वोंट से विच ब्रँड और विच बाइक. विल डायरेक्टली टेक यू देयर.
Very high.
विल डायरेक्टली टेक यू देयर. बट या ओके चल कर डेंटेड एंड कर.
So yeah, Scrambler also I felt it is too big for me. Means it's tall for me and while
Yeah, for a
turning
first
also
time
first.
rider gear bike का थोड़ा
yeah.
it is not that easy.
That easy, yeah.
Yeah,
They're not
it is
that
manageable.
comfortable.
It is manageable. After a 1 week with the bike, you'll manage
Yeah,
it
that
आराम
is
से.
there.
But for daily use, again, his use case is daily use. He's replacing a
Daily
scooter
use,
daily
yeah.
use के लिए. तो for daily use, Scrambler is
Scrambler
a
doesn't make
bit
sense.
too much, I feel.
And T4 was good, easy with easy transition. I didn't feel I was riding some Triumph bike or anything. And 400 speed, that is good actually compared to
Power-wise.
power wise and everything. It's
It
good.
is more refined.
At like 5-6 years down the line, you won't get bored of that power. Highway पे भी it will be more than enough for you. speed.
But I don't know why I'm still stuck at Popper 42.
It's see, for your use case, daily driven it's 10 kilometers, 10 to 15 kilometers, and monthly once or twice 60 kilometers. That is a good bike actually for your
Yeah.
use case. And plus it is price wise also come in.
Yeah, price was also
Yeah.
it's good in budget.
It is
and
more affordable, and
the
I
looks are
think
also
you are in
looks-
love with the
Looks.
42.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think you should go for 42. Java 42. Yeah.
For I would suggest you keep the 42 and 400 in your list for now.
42 and T400. T4 मारे है.
T4 no.
Speed 400.
If तुका budget जायना ले T4 दवर.
T4 okay.
Because 400 to दवरलेलं तर long term तुका काही टेन्शनच ना त्या बायकाचं. Plus tram servicing we know how good it is here. At
Yeah.
least in Goa we know how good it is. Like तू ने experience केला and we
It
know
is
the
very good.
service people also they are very good.
Very good.
And not
Yeah.
because of him only. मेरे other और भी दोस्त हैं with tram bikes. All of them have the same response. Like they have not gone through me. Like पहचान का भी ऐसा कोई नहीं है. But everyone is getting like the same treatment and very nice servicing.
See, choosing any
those-
bike between like T400, Speed 400 or the Java,
All bikes are good.
All
That is
bikes are
not a
good.
thing. But हमारा use case different होता है. That is the
Yes.
thing. So based on your use case, you can choose the bike.
Correct.
What we experience, we have shared with you. So अगर आपका use case वैसा fitting है, then you can choose a particular bike from that after test driving, obviously.
Yeah, test drive is a must.
Yeah, test drive is a must.
आज का conclusion यही था कि
All bikes are good, but
all
your
bikes are
use
good.
case is
Harley out of the
for us.
For
Yeah.
for us.
yeah.
Scrambler is also out.
Scrambler is also out. T4 Speed and the
42 Java.
Java Bobber 42.
Bobber
Now
42.
let's see if this can change my mind.
Yes,
Yeah.
maybe.
Maybe it
That
might.
bike is
It
good.
might.
Maybe not.
It might.
No, that bike is good.
I feel
Let's
it
see.
might.
As per Rakesh, I feel that will be good because he is
It is
hyping
good.
it too much.
It is
Bro,
good.
same. Even I
Exhaust
feel-
note is good. Engine Honda, you know, मैंने बाइक चलाई है, अमोने भी चलाई है.
True. I have
Honda
already
is-
done a video on it as well.
Yes, the thump is good. Riding posture.
Very easy to ride that
very
bike.
easy to ride.
Light, maneuverable, very.
So वो भी एक बाइक लिस्ट में है. So total 4 bikes will be there in the list. So please do comment down below if you were in place of Mayuresh. आप कौन सा बाइक choose करते and why? So do let me know in the comments. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.